Hey everyone. If you're working from your computer and want to get your digital receipts into QuickBooks, the Transactions tab is your best friend. Today, I'm showing you the exact workflow to upload, review, and match receipts so your books stay audit-proof. Let's get into it. Step 1. Navigate to Receipts. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar. Hover over Transactions and click on Receipts. This is your central hub for all incoming documents. Step 2. Upload your documents. You'll see a big Upload from Computer button. You can click that to browse your files, or simply drag and drop your PDFs or images directly into the window. QuickBooks will immediately start processing them using AI to pull out the vendor, date, and total. Step 3. Review the For Review list. Once the processing is done, your receipts will appear in the For Review tab. Take a quick look at each one. If QuickBooks correctly identified the info, you'll see it populated. If something is missing, like the bank account you used or the category, just click on the line to open the details and fill it in. Step 4. Match or create. Now, look at the action column. If QuickBooks finds a matching transaction in your bank feed, it will say, Match found. Just click Match to link the receipt image to that expense. If it's a new expense, you can click Review and then Save and Next to create the transaction from scratch. Step 5. Verify in the Reviewed tab. After you match or create a transaction, the receipt moves to the Reviewed tab. This is where your permanent digital copies live. You can always go back here to see the original image linked to your financial data. Your bookkeeping is now cleaner and faster. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.